Happy birthday, Carlo.
Happy birthday, Carlo. Happy birthday, Carlo.
Carlo, say happy birthday, Carlo.
Happy birthday, little brother.
Say happy birthday to me. Say thank you.
Thank you.
O kasi sasalantan mo yan, dahil wala mga kalalan. So, dapat natin, limang ganito.
Now it's turning and you say sorry like an angel.
Say hi. Hello, Carlo.
Busy for Carlo's birthday. Bang props.
Hello.
Dahil masarap ang pasalamat. Hello!
It's Carlo's birthday. Happy birthday, Carlo.
Happy
We love you.
birthday! Next, si Carlet naman.